Welcome to Pro Se Lawsuit Center. Well, we're not actually in the center. We're on remote location. Okay, this is the first time I had to set up on the curve, going around the curve. Everything's going around the curve here. So anyway, I'm going to have a workshop on Friday the 3rd. That'll be 10/3/25. I'm going to have a criminal defense workshop. I'm going to have a workshop, and it's going to be about the Sue the Prosecutor lawsuit package. Most of the people who invest in that package, you want to make sure that you attend in this. And it's going to be free. We're also going to have questions from people who are facing criminal charges. It's going to be like a criminal defense workshop. So if you got pending criminal charges, you fight them yourself, you can come, and we'll teach you tips that you can use to, if you got charged, you don't know what to do, but you know that what they're offering here for you, because that's where what they're offering here for you is not working, then go to our website at winningcourtnow.com and take a look at your options. Or give me, after you do that, give me a call. Or if you got questions and you're serious about getting this handled, give me a call. 913-240-0227. Ask for Coach and Neighbors. We're also going to have a new playlist, the live stream playlist. So everything that we're going to have in the future in the live stream is going to be in that playlist. Because when I make the stream, I have to be very, very check everything down, or everybody's kicking me off except Ron. I got too many people to leave over on YouTube. So we're going to just figure out a way to make it work. So I'm going to say we're going to have a live stream coaching for something general, and then you can go over to our live stream playlist where we're going to actually have. I'll probably make little videos like this for it, and then I can use the video. So this would be a cool way. So we got the criminal defense workshop going down Friday, September the 3rd.